This video sponsored by Value Testers. Great promo offer on Testo, Fieldpiece, and Bacharach. Free 2-day shipping on purchase of $200 or more on selected seasonal testing equipment. Link in description below. This video sponsored by Interplay Learning. Simulation-based step-by-step service testing procedures. Beginning to advanced courses available. A fun and entertaining way to advance your skills. Limited time discount. Link and promo code in description below. Alright guys, we've got a backed up sink here. This is actually at my house. So, it goes down but really slow. I tried plunging it this morning. I gotta snake it. Here is I got, piping's pretty high, but I got a clean out right there where I can run a snake down there. So that's going to be my plan. Take that clean out and try to run a snake down there. I'm going to see if I get it to flow. Not easy, Mama. Piping's roughed in pretty high in the wall on this thing. I should be able to get the snake in there though. It's pretty blocked. In there and see if it's backing up. Get some flow going. There we get. See if we get some water to flow. Awful hot. Before I pull my snake out, you know. running water down there again. See what happens. Well, I might be going up the vent. I don't know. Yeah, it's going down. I'm running the water slow. Yeah, I think I got it. I think I got it, Mom. What I usually do is wipe the snake off as I come back with a rag. I like to wipe the snake off so it's clean for the next job. It's spitting all over the place. You gotta make sure the snake goes down the drain, not up the vent. Put the plug back in and see if we can get the plug back in and give it a good run time. See what happens. It's kind of a tough situation here. You don't want to drain backing up in your own house. I mean, that's not good. Ain't no Taj Mahal here, Mama. Ain't no Taj Mahal here. I wish this rough was lower in the wall, but it's not. It's kind of high. We'll try that, see if it backs up. Give it the full bolt, see if it goes down. Hot water. Really nasty in here. We need to clean this all good anyway. Always get to flush it with nice hot water. Give it a good flush. I think I got it.